Take a ride in the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.